there's always one of those. A brown one. Yeah. In every fucking flock.
It's like 11 o'clock in the morning, I get a text. It's like, there's a bird in the house. I'm like, okay. And then I come home at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They're just sitting on the lamp next to the door. It's like, okay. They only shit a couple times. I think that's the part.
One pigeon shit in your house is too many.
I just took a towel and got it out.
Park rangers show up and then they're like, it's a crime, right? Even to touch one pigeon is 10 years in Rikers.
That's what they're like. This guy's out here touching fucking birds. There's definitely.
Imagine getting booked in and the cops are disgusted with you and you're in central booking. Like, what's this one in here for? He was in the park touching pigeons.
This is just a bird documentary. We're here doing a bird documentary. And we're gonna get.
You don't have any natural fear of doing that right there?
No, do you?
Oh, yeah. What about like diseases or lice or something?
No, I'm not really worried about that.
Yeah.
That's still doing a good job.
No, honestly, they're like super.
Yeah, no, they're cool.
Nice.
Oh yeah, they're.
Well, the reason we're doing this is a year ago. We were in here, we saw a park ranger just try to grab one out of the sky out of instinct.
Oh.
Like a young park
Did it
ranger.
work?
Just tries to grab it. Like that is an instinct thing.
Yeah. So like when you're a kid and you run through a doorway and you try to.
Yeah.
She was a short little lady and she jumped up and tried to swat the bird. And then tried to write us tickets for drinking in public.
Oh my
God. So it's like, didn't you just try to kill a bird?
And then she flirted with me at the same time.
But she's not really playing. It's not a real.
I just parrots in Brooklyn.
Yeah, are they those little Peruvian? They have them.
The green ones.
Yeah, San Francisco too. They have the wild parrots of Telegraph Hill.
It's very rare, but you see them in flocks and they're there.
Yeah.
Wait till I'm gonna start. We're doing an interview.
Bird doc.
He has so many birds.
I know.
So awesome.
Well, hold on.
Yeah. No, not really. Yeah. There you go. What's up, buddy?
You're right.
Yeah. Go see your friends. Go see your parents.
Ambush. This one here is actually Dottie. Met her yesterday, and she's the chillest one.
This is awesome, dude.
We're filming you guys from back here.
Project. We're not posting.
No,
it's
awesome.
not gonna be. It's not meant to be invasive.
You guys come around here often, though?
No, I live in Bushwick. Yeah.
If you ever want to actually do like a documentary on like birds or anything?
We saw a park ranger try to catch one out there.
There's a guy, Larry the Birdman. He's always here. Dude,
I've been up here 16 years. Sorry, but
We'll find him.
Yeah, we're actually out here. I have a friend coming on to recreate this story, but definitely.
Oh my God! No way! Native New Yorker here. That does not happen.
She's playing a part.
Way!
I'm the production.
What does it make your skin crawl because they're touching dirty birds?
With fur, with wings.
Yeah.
Although
Don't they have lice?
But only 2 months ago, I learned, I don't know if it was New York Times, where we had domesticated them, and now that's why they're close to people, because they used to get the food from people. So we're looking at them.
Well, they were actually brought here to be like huntable food. So we see them as disgusting. They bathe in like bum urine on the side of the road, but like they're probably pretty tasty.
Just put your arm out. Yep.
Put your arms out.
Hey, stick him straight out. Here, you want this one? I got
4. She's in Union Square. She makes actually, now I was thinking about that. She makes like
fake
stuff.
birds?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go get it. Hey, these things like cigarettes or what? Dude, start handing out cigarettes to the bird.
Wait. Do they like
No.
Poor guys.
What happened to Millhouse? He's in Rikers right now. He was feeding pigeons New Amsterdam vodka. What are you talking about?
Definitely give him a cigarette, so. You have I don't have any cigarettes. Do you have a cigarette?
I got a cigarette.
They might want it. I think I'll light it. They can light it themselves. Hey guys, you got something? Here. Everyone gather around.
New Yorkers, what's up?
I would love.
And I get a photo of that. I want to go. Oh!
So funny.
Well, okay, here you go.
Wants a cigarette.
It's not a
Polly, what a cancer?
yeah. No, you sound.
Oh, get it off of me! Get it off of me! Get it off of me, dude. He doesn't smoke.
I got a photo of you trying to hand a bird a cigarette with a bird on your head.
Got his head now.
Did it poo on me? Are you a pigeon enthusiast or just all birds?
I like all birds. My Instagram name is actually Bird, so.
Oh, there we go.
How did you just get bird?
There we go. And this is Anita.
We have the right place, right time.
Bird Instagram at the Bird Meetup.
Is this like a bird meetup though, or
Yeah.
I think some guy just showed up with trail mix?
It's like a whole. There's
this is
New York City pigeon something. What was the name of it? Oh,
Bird. It's called
I'll do it in the voiceover. But
It's called the Bird Bang. We're definitely here for the birds. Yep, it is a bird meetup.
yeah, it's a Facebook group. Washington Squarepark is for the birds.
Oh Jesus! Bird just went right next to my head. How do you get the piano here?
I wheel it on this dolly.
Nice.
Wild.
Smoky dive bar with a duck on my shoulder.
Hey. The pigeons were brought to the Americans. They're immigrants. They're attacking us over, dude.
You get some weird,
Get her! Get a boy!
You could eat Saturday. Yeah.
Oh,